Today we will learn how to account for perpetual inventory using the three most common costing methods. Here we have a data table of inventory at a beginning balance on November 1st of 22 items at a cost of $60. To determine the ending balance at the end of the month and cost of goods sold, we're going to start off using the FIFO method, which is first in, first out. So to start off with, we have on November 1st a beginning balance of 22 at a unit cost of 60, which is $13.20. Then on November 6th, they had a sale of 12 units. So November 6th sale of 12 at 60 is $720. I'm going to write this in brackets so that we can remember that this was a sale item, so we can total all of our sales to get our cost of goods sold at the end. Since we had 22 and we've sold 12, that leaves us with a balance of 10 items at $60 for a total cost of $600. Now if we go back to the data chart, you'll see that on November 8th they purchased 25 units at $81. So we have November 8th a purchase of 25 at $81 for a total of $2,025. On November 17th they now sold 25 units. This is where FIFO really comes into play because we have 10 at 60, but we have 25 at 81. To determine what those 25 costs were, we are going to use the first in. The first ones in are still our balance of 10 at 60. So for our sale of 25 units, we're going to break it out with 10 at 60, which is $600, and then another 15 at 81. 10 plus 15 is 25. This is first in, first out. We had the first in at 60 and then 25 at 81. 10 at 60, 15 at 81 gives us 1,215. I'm going to do brackets again to subtract the sale. So we had 10 units, we purchased 25, we sold 25, so we're left with a balance of 10 at 81 because we sold all of our 10 at 60 right here on the 17th. 10 at 81 gives us a balance of $810. Now, on November 30th, they had a sale of 8 units, and because all we have left are the 10 units at $81, these 8 units are going to be sold at 81 as well. 8 times 81 is 648. Let's put it in brackets to remember to subtract. So our final balance is 10 minus 8 is 2 at 81, which gives us $162, and that's our ending inventory. Now to get cost of goods sold, let's add all of our sold numbers. Okay, so we have 720 plus 600 plus 1,215 plus 648. That gives us a total of 3,183. So for the end of November, their cost of goods sold is 3,183 and ending inventory is 162. Now there's a way that you can check your answers when you're doing all three methods with FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average. Let's add the 3,183 with the 162 and we get a total of 3,345. We're going to use that as our check figure when we work LIFO and weighted average next.